Hey guys, what's up? This is Krista. I am going live, just kind of doing this guerrilla style. Okay. Hey guys, what's up? This is Krista. Doing this live guerrilla style. Decided I'm not gonna, set up and tape and re-edit and all that jazz today because I wanted to get in front of you real quick and talk a little more about this giveaway that I'm doing and to celebrate the launch of my new email newsletter for content creators, which is called Creator Coaching. And so I'm doing a giveaway. This is me. It's not a third party or any resale or anything of that nature. And what I'm giving away is a what's called a mobile creator lighting kit from a company called LumeCube. And this is the exact same kit that I use when I'm shooting video, except for today, and that I use when I'm either that or live streaming, especially on the go. So anyway, at first let me say iPhone is not included. iPhone is not included. iPhone is not included. Okay, so what you've got here is you've got a God, I'm gonna have to turn this sideways. You've got a tripod. Okay, so you've got the three legs here that will sit down, on a desk or any flat surface or what have you. Then this is a mini LED light, okay? And it's got a lot of features to be so small, and as you can see, it has a this rubber kind of plastic diffuser on it. So if I take that off, you can see all the, you know, lighting goodness underneath, right? And anyway, so this is kind of the, so you're not looking harsh or whatever, right? So let me hit the button, turn this on real quick. Okay, and I know that's brutal, but I just wanted to show you that now you can also adjust the brightness using this little wheel on the side. I don't know if that's easy to see or not there. But anyway, and then you have a little LED screen right here on the back that tells you how much battery you've got left. Ooh, I look like I'm telling ghost stories. Anyway, it tells you, what your lighting settings are and what your battery life is and so forth. So this is really nice, lightweight, easy to take out in the field. Now, it connects, there's two of these, and I loosened this so you can see it, but right here you have what photographers call cold shoe mounts, which are basically mounts similar to what you would put a flash on a DSLR 35 millimeter camera, as we used to call it, here and here. Okay, so that makes it really customizable, right? So if you are somewhere in low light and you want to add a second one of these, you can do that. You can also, this isn't included unfortunately, but uh, I have one. If you have a mobile mic or video mic for iPhone or something, like for vlogging, that also has a cold shoe mount, fits right in there, and then this plugs into your iPhone. So there you've got a pretty slick vlogging kit in a very small package. Now again, what's included is this tripod slash selfie stick and the mobile light, and then the mount for the phone. So what I've done here is, now if you fold the legs in, then it becomes this handle, right? And you can get out here and, if you're doing, reporting live on something, or you're interviewing people, or, two of you are talking, you can do that, hold it in your hand, everything's right here, good to go. Also, this does articulate, as the engineers say, so this tilts all the way back, so that kind of gives you some options as far as holding the stick. But anyway, these are LumeCube's really popular. I don't know, I found out about them on Instagram. But anyway, there are they have a lot of really nice products. So again, what I'm giving away, and you'll see this in the link in the description, is the this tripod slash selfie stick by LumeCube. Remember, and again, these come out so you can set it up higher. You need to have a little more height on your tripod, and then there's a button right here, sorry about that, that lets the leg come back in. Okay, and then this has, just like with a lot of other selfie sticks and things, there's just this grip here you pull out, and that takes your iPhone out. So anyway, to enter, all you got to do is enter your email, hit the link in the description, and the winner will be announced on January 16th that evening. So get in there and enter. We're also giving you some bonus entries if you refer other people via email and they sign up. So get in it. I'm telling you, if you create any kind of video content, and you want to make it simple, and you want to take it on the go, this thing is invaluable. I use it all the time, and I love it. It's really easy to use. The lighting's very high quality, very easy to attach. Attach your options and so forth. You can also rotate the I forgot to show you all this. You can rotate your phone so you can be in landscape mode if you want to shoot this way, and that's just real simple. You just lay the thing back, there you go, back to vertical, there you go, whoop, there it is. So anyway, okay, I'm gonna get out of here. That's all I wanted to say. And by the way, don't sleep on live stream. Live stream is so easy to make a video. You can edit it later and just get it out there. I'm going to be talking a lot more about that in my newsletter as time goes on. But hit the button and go live and record it, and then you can chop it up and do stuff with it later, right? Just make it easy on yourself. All right. So with that, I'm going to say I'm going to get out of here. Enter the contest. When you enter the contest, you're also signed up for my newsletter. You get a subscription automatically, saving you a step, and so forth. So please do that. I'm going to get out of here so you can register, and good luck to whoever wins this thing, and I'll talk to you soon. If you got any questions, the finger of hit me up in the comments, and I will answer whatever questions you have the best I can, okay? All right, have a good day. God bless.